Hello kids! Are you ready to open mystery eggs? Let's learn colors with fun together.
Look! Look! What color is this egg? Yes! It is red. Let's open the red egg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and pop! Wow! Yes, it is an apple which is red in color. Great! Here comes the next egg. What color is this? Yes, blue. Let's open it. Pop. Wow. Who is inside? It's a fish. Fish. Amazing. Wow. A bright egg. What color is this? Yellow. Let's open it. Pop. What do you see? It's a duck. D for duck. Quack, quack. Great job. Look at this egg. What color is it? Green. Open the green egg. Pop. Who jumped out? Oh, no. It's a frog. Frog. Now, it's a purple egg. Purple, purple. Let's open it. Pop. What do you see? Yes, those are grapes. Nom nom nom. Let's eat grapes. Hey, look. What color is this egg? Yes, it is brown. Let's open the brown egg. Pop. Wow. It's a new brown bear. Great. Do you see an orange egg? Let's open it. Pop. What do you see? Easy right. Orange. Let's eat it. Great job. Wow, kids. A special egg. This one has many colors. Let's open it together. 3, 2, 1, and pop. Wow. It's a butterfly. Beautiful butterfly. Great job today. You learned colors with fruits, toys, and animals. Do you want more mystery eggs? Say yes. See you in the next fun video. Like, share, and subscribe.